We are on day 2 of our Disneyland. Today we start at Disneyland. That doesn't make sense. Disneyland trip, and today we start at Disneyland. It is 7:40. We just left our Disneyland hotel, so we'll see what time we get there. They don't literally drop it until 8, so as long as we get there before 8, we should be good. We're gonna try the Genie Pass today, so we'll see how it goes. Pretty excited. I'm wearing my really loud leggings from Magic at Your Door. And it's not as cold as yesterday. Yeah. Okay, well, let's hear all about it.
As you explore Walt Disney's Magic Kingdom, for your safety, we ask that you please walk to your next destination.
Please report back to adios cockpit.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the calls.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General. Stand clear. Get doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety.
Oh, yeah.
Get your final call aboard.
I'm getting a high reading on the fuel pressure line. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. The engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I've been tasked with getting you to Bakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We get company. First order firefighters. Reroute! Reroute!
It's moving us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake.
By the authority of the First Order, you are all subject for immediate interrogation. Now get up.
Oh, they changed that up a little bit. That's so cool. Oh yeah. Is it new?
What?
Is it that?
No, it's been there.
Oh,
You just don't really get to like.
it's so cool.
Yeah.
We got to see the back. Finally, it's cool. Our ship was kind of empty. Not a lot of people want to fight, I guess. I get it, you know. Real stuff.
You're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Oh, okay. Alright.
All right, there, Chris. We're gonna
I love the door feature.
Droid, you're lucky it didn't spot you.
I don't remember
Take
that.
those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
just 2 droids anyway.
Take cover, recruits!
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields?
I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave.
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This destroyer is about.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Lieutenant back here.
Rex, you're alive.
I should hope so. Great job, recruits.
It's 9:30. We got in line at 8:08. So hour 20, including the ride. But yeah.
They had that lot of stuff on there.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so different.
No, we got the different side this time.
We've never gotten that side ever. We've rode it
Always with the other one.
even at Disney World. It's so cool. I love the other side. I like them shooting at you. And what else? Oh, I like the backside of the train. The drop. This is like second day in a row where the first ride we do has a drop. And it always like droop my stomach right away. I think we're gonna go to Winnie the Pooh because obviously wait times are high now. But we did do a Genie reservation for Indiana Jones. Something happened because they gave us another one and they got canceled. And then, so we did a Space Mountain one. So I think we're gonna go Winnie the Pooh. It's a 5-minute wait. Take pictures, eat breakfast. Anything to add?
Nope.
Still the best thing that's ever happened to you?
It's good.
So much honey. That's okay.
Happy birthday!
Alright, it's officially busy at the parks. We waited for Pooh Bear. It was a walk-in. We didn't wait. That's a lie. And it was cute. We did it off the list. I wouldn't wait more than 5 minutes for it. Right now we walked by it and I think it's probably like 15 minutes right now. Maybe 20 minutes. Which even for Pooh is a lot. But the parks are really busy. We went to Pooh's Corner. Brendan bought a Spirit jersey, which is weird. This is the second Spirit jersey, but it's really cute. It's like the black staple one. You know, the basic one. We're gonna go get him a breakfast run to roster. There you go. And then I'm in the hunt for Ronto Wrap Roaster. I said it right, Ronto Roaster.
Yeah.
And then I'm looking for the cold brew because I don't eat breakfast. Sorry, Mom. Sorry, my gastroenterologist and my doctor. Alright, we are over by the popcorn stand, which is closed. It'll probably open later today if I had to guess. We never had the popcorn, but we're not popcorn people. Brendan got the breakfast Ronto. Is it good? Wait, remember? Is it better than the sandwich or whatever you got yesterday? What did you get for breakfast yesterday? A hot dog? No, shawarma. Is it better than the shawarma? They're even? Oh. I don't like eggs, so. And then the bad thing about Disney is like a lot of their savory stuff doesn't open until 12 or 1. And I'm like, why? You have so much people who are hungry that woke up super early and want to eat. So I don't know. Super busy today. I feel like this park is more busy than how I felt yesterday at California. But it's okay. We have Park Hopper, we have Genie, and we already did Rise. So hopefully we get to take some pictures and meet some characters maybe. Yeah. Figaro! Oh! Back to bed. We just ate at Gaston's. We had like a garlic bread and the churro rounds. The churro rounds are really good. I think I like them more than churros. And then we are trying now the cold brew over in Docking Bay, but I forgot a straw. So Brendan went to go get me one. I'm a little scared. I don't really like coffee. It tastes like coffee. I think if you like coffee or cold brews, is for you. I'm gonna add like 2 sweet and lows and go from there. Oh Jesus. And with that, I'll leave you here. I hope you liked our morning here at Disneyland rope dropping. This was a decision we made to go to Rise of the Resistance. I think if you get there a little bit earlier, maybe 10-15 minutes earlier than we did, I think it would be great. I think we still waited a little bit longer than we should have for a rope drop morning. But it still was not a regret because the line didn't go down and they do close that ride earlier. So even though Disneyland closes at midnight, they close around 9 or so. So I think we made a good decision. Let me know what your tips are for Rise of the Resistance. We had a great time. I hope you liked the video. And then don't forget to subscribe so you can see the rest of the 3 days that we had here and the rest of this day and our experience with Genie Plus. And until next time, adios.